This is what beginners should be doing. Not trying to do pull-ups and none of that.
Let's pull, let's push, Cali is active.
Gotta love yourself, baby.
Let's push, Cali is active.
What's up, self-love fam? Cowboy here. So you're looking to achieve your first pull-up, but you just don't know where to start. Might be in your 40s, in your 50s, hell, you could be in your 30s, 20s, even in your teens, and you still can't do a pull-up. Don't fret. Let me start by giving you some information that will make you feel at ease. A pull-up is not a beginner's exercise. Yeah, that's right. A pull-up is not a beginner's exercise. Let me explain what I mean. Come on, let's go to the park.
This right here. This is all you have to do. You're hanging out with your kids. You go to the park. You see them hanging on something. Go with them and hang on to a bar. Swing on it. Have fun. This is what you need to get used to. This is what beginners should be doing. Not trying to do pull-ups and none of that. Just learn to hang on the bar. Get used to hanging. You get good with hanging, start reversing your grips. You get good reversing your grips, then I suggest you start doing some scapular pull-ups. Keep your arms nice and straight. And all you're doing is retracting those shoulder blades, baby. This is the first thing you do right here when you're doing a pull-up. You can do 3 sets of these, 3 sets of hanging. Soon you'll be strong enough to just hang on with one hand. It's that simple. Just develop the strength first. I always work on my strength. Even if I can do pull-ups, muscle-ups, it doesn't matter. You always got to work on your strength, and this is a great way to work on strength. And you know what the beautiful thing is? Before you even know it, this will happen for you. And one more thing, you can also work on negatives. You can jump up to this position and slowly come down. There's no need for you to pull up. A pull-up is not a beginner exercise. See you next time.